here.
Steve died because of stingray, right, baby? Steve Irwin?
Yeah, that's what he died from, a stingray.
Yes.
But it says estimate is 210.
I hope they fix our washer and dryer.
Say yes, cause I need to know. She said shh. You ready?
All the way through his body, it's in his brain, everything.
Yes, we got backpack. I got backpack too. Cheese.
Look how cute she is for you.
I know. Guys, so I think we're going to aquarium. It's day 2 or day 3? I think it's day 3. So we're going to see some sharks for the kids. I think it's over there. It's the Mandalay Bay. We're here at the Reef Aquarium. A what?
Polar journey. I guess we can see penguins.
Penguins. Nice. Side. Oh my god. Jama. That's a fish. No, it's, yeah, it's a fish.
There's an alligator.
Really? Yeah. Gee.
Alligators over there filming. Here.
Have fish. Oh, and there's the alligator. Oh yeah. There's the other one too. What is this joint? Look at that joint.
Look at this, Sam.
Oh wow, look at that one. How big that one is.
It's a stingray, baby. Steve died because of stingray, right, baby? Steve Irwin?
Yeah, that's what he died
Yeah,
from, a stingray.
Yeah, stingray hit him, stuck him in the heart.
Stingray. Right there. There's a stingray right there.
Once it's through doing his kids still
Look
do
at
his species, yeah. Crocodile hunter.
Just popping out like.
Crocodile hunter.
Look at him. Just popping out of nowhere. It's so huge.
You said they're more vicious than piranhas. That's crazy.
You're vicious.
You're vicious.
Oh, look, baby. That looks like you. Babe, it's in your head. It's in your head. Dory, I found Dory. There's Dory. And some sharks. Sharks? Oh, there's sharks. I want the big one. Like the big shark. I want the great white one.
Right.
Where's the great white?
It's a unicorn fish. It looks like a unicorn.
It does look like it. It's a unicorn fish. It has like a thing in it. Guys, so now this is the real deal. Oh my god, that looks so cool. There's great white sharks and hammerheads.
That's a blue shark.
They're actually pretty cool.
It's a turtle.
It does look like he's got a cell.
A few inches later.
We're here at the 0 degrees and I ordered a tiger milk tea and classic milk tea with french fries for him. Classic and the tiger. Gemma!
Fruity, baby, fruity.
I know, I taste it.
Yeah, they are some serious.
Yeah.
But they're good though, you know.
They're really good, yeah. That's the thing I told Sarah, we didn't have that in Maryland. It sucks.
Yeah.
We're on our way home. What? Change outfit. I'm with Gemma and Jeffy. It's my sister-in-law's kid, and I just changed it into a dress. It's kind of like nice outside and it's flowy, so I like this dress. And I'm just gonna try to take this lashes off and this eyeshadow off because it's too much. I mean, I like it, but like, I don't know. And my list is really cracking. What's wrong, honey? I try to take a nap with them, but like, it's not working. I'm really worse with the kids, but anyway. My husband is picking up my sister-in-law now because they went to a couples massage. So they'll be probably here in a minute. What's wrong, honey? Yes. And we went to the 0 degrees, guys. I got the Tiger Sugar milk and a classic milk tea. Alright, I'm gonna try to set you guys in. Oh, you have your backpack too, baby? How do I set this in? Hold on, let me get the tripod. Where's my tripod? Oh, you got my bag. Oh, this is our condominium. I forgot to show it to you guys, but yeah, it's our condominium. Right there. This is our condominium. It's really messy out here. Here's Gemma. Gemma, say hi. Say hi to the vlog, Gemma. Hi, vlog. Jeffrey, say hi to the vlog. Alright, we have a big screen over there, living room. We have also, this is where they're staying, 2 rooms right there and closet, stuff like that. And then we have here, also staying here. Let's see, it's another king size bathtub, jacuzzi, and then TV, closet, 2 sinks, shower, of course, toilet, a mirror, it's really nice, mirror, and also a hot tub, and then another mirror, me, and I just put my hair straightener in here and everything. So we'll be here for like a week, and my sister-in-law and the kids is gonna come home like Wednesday, I believe. Yeah, so what's that? Oh, somebody locked me. Hey, who locked me? You? I see you, girly. I see you, what you're trying to do. Alright, who got my tripod? I got it right here. Alright, I'm gonna put this tripod on. Hold on for a minute. Huh? She just asked me what I'm doing. Like, I'm literally talking to a camera. It's vlogging, Gemma. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh. Hi, people.
Hi, people.
She's so cute. You're such an actress, Gemma. All right, let me put this in. I'm gonna try to erase this. Hopefully this one will work. I don't know. It's against the light. But what's wrong, honey? Huh? My life, say yes, cause I need to know. She said shh. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Do I oh.
I got shoes.
You like your apple juice, girl. You want more? I can give you some. Huh? Alright. Look. Tell them. Oh, they want to see your face. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright. Where is your shoes? Here. You want to bring the babies with you in the dinner? We're getting ready for dinner, actually. Yeah, we're just waiting on them. I'm with the kids. So yeah, I'm ready. I'm just gonna put like lip tint on because my lips is cracking. And I just changed her diaper and put her ponytails on. And I'm wearing also a dress. Right there. Dress. And this is Peter Parker. Hi, Peter Parker. He drew himself. What is that, boy? Show them. They can't really. Oh, there you go. You're such a good boy. All right, Gemma. What they called? What's the mall called? What's the name of this mall? There's like fake clouds.
It's the Miracle Mile.
Oh, it's a dolphin. Oh,
Marshall's roof.
that looks nice. It's like a fake clouds.
Marshall Russo, I think.
Oh.
If I said it wrong, oh well. It's a theater, baby.
Huh?
Saks Theater.
Oh.
I think they play Saks.
I think this is it. Wait, is this it? Oh no.
What are you talking about?
Oh, I thought it was it.
No, we're going to the he said the best restaurants. Remember the Brazilian cut?
Oh yeah. Baby, look, it's a Nestle. It's an ice cream. Gemma, look, it's an ice cream place. So we're going to the restaurant. Was it Pampas? Here, Pampas restaurant.
Yeah.
5 and then 2 kids.
Peter?
Yeah.
Did you have a reservation?
Peter?
No. We're in. Smells good. It's good. It's really good. Oh yeah, can I?
Filet mignon.
Oh yeah, can I get one? Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sure.
Yeah, he's not finished. This was good. The other one is garbage.
Top sirloin, guys.
Oh yeah, that looks really good. Right here. Oh wait, yeah, just that one. Thank you. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you so much. Cheese, Gemma. Oh, look at you, baby. Aw. She said cheese.
Can I get a picture of you?
You're right, dude. They got stuff like I want to try the nacho
Jeffrey, I want a
daddies.
picture of you too.
Something, try, man. We got.
You literally just ate and you
Not
want to.
tonight. I'm talking about next couple days. You know.
Cheese, Gemma. So we're outside already. Oh, we're here at the Miracle Meal Shops right there.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice outside. It's not cold, it's not hot. Look at that. So we're on our way back. And bag is secured. I got the 2 shoes. I was trying to decide which one, but then I like them, so I got them both. Duh, it's my birthday, so I got both. So I'm really excited. I know I just got a brand new shoes, like the Nike Air Force one, but like, I don't know. Plus, I'm planning to buy the Gucci bag or the Speedy 30. Because she's spending money or whatever. I gotta stop spending. But anyway, we're just walking and going up because we park 4th floor garage. So yeah, the food was really great.
Yeah, they're ready to fall out right now.
Good. That's awesome.
Yeah, well, it's midnight, man. It's our house. So they gotta be tired.
I know, it's like 12.
Just time changer, yeah. They usually adjust in 24 hours. They're in a kid schedule. They don't know nothing about it.
The freaks come out.
Nice. Bellagio and the Caesar Palace. It's very busy out here. You get the Cosmopolitan over there.
You know what? that water's been distilled 9 times.
That was actually good water, especially when it's very cold. It was a good water. On the way home. Look at that's the Rio Hotel.
Celine Dion, the final show.
Home. I literally just wiped my makeup, face makeup, and I don't know if I'm gonna do a haul today. Maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna just end the vlog here since I'm really sleepy and I have to put the babies out to sleep because my sister-in-law and her baby daddy is went out on a date, so we have to watch the kids. So anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, peace.